Born in the vibrant town of Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu on August 5, 1971, Dinesh Victor is an alumnus of IIT Bombay and IIM Ahmedabad. With over 8 years of corporate experience, including as a regional manager at Standard Chartered Bank, Dinesh chose a path less travelled. In 2003, he found SIP Academy, introducing the SIP Abacus program to India. At a time when mental arithmetic was unfamiliar to the country, Dinesh's bold vision and commitment to unlock the immense mental potential of children, and that kept him moving forward. Under his leadership, SIP Academy has become a leader in skill development, impacting over 950,000 children across 350 cities in India and 10 countries globally. SIP's ISO certified programs such as SIP Abacus and Global Art are known for transforming young minds. SIP Prodigy, one of India's largest mental arithmetic competitions, recognized by the Limca Book of Records, challenges participants to solve 200 sums in just 11 minutes. Attracting over 12,000 participants annually, it reflects Dinesh's inspiring vision. Many alumni have excelled in their careers, with some returning as parents to enroll their children in SIP. This is a testament to the lasting impact of SIP Abacus, fostering academic growth and life skills. SIP Academy empowers children by building confidence, enhancing concentration, and fostering lifelong learning skills. Dinesh's work has earned him recognition in media, where he champions holistic child development. His achievements include being named a top IIT Bombay alumnus by CEO Insights and receiving the Excellence in Coaching Award from the Economic Times. Through the SIP Academy's global network, over 90% of franchises and educators are women, enabling them to build businesses and uplift their communities. Dinesh's leadership also drives initiatives like Respect the Girl Child, sponsoring education, creating Miyawaki forests, and providing disadvantaged children access to SIP programs. Dinesh is a lifelong learner, an avid reader, and a marathon runner, embodying the discipline that defines his leadership. As managing director, Dinesh leads with humility, guiding SIP's expansion and mentoring his team, reflecting his belief that leadership begins with service. In 2023, SIP Academy celebrated 20 years of success. Dinesh reaffirmed his mission to transform lives, with over 300 schools partnered and more than 950,000 students trained. As SIP Academy enters its third decade, Dinesh Victor's legacy of empowerment grows stronger, shaping the leaders of tomorrow, transforming lives one child at a time.